want to do after our sports today. So we want to do apple juice and the banana juice together. We have to. This is going to be my lunch for today. Because I've not eaten anything, so I'm trying to avoid food as soon as possible. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Area after how my day? I know they do my sport, gym, sport, gym. I don't do my sport, but don't worry. Well, okay. After the sport, I want to take this juice. Okay, I'm going to use this to do my lunch for today. Then let's go there and see. Okay, I want to carry you guys along for the preparation of this drink. We are cutting our banana. I'm going to use one apple and two bananas. That's what I'm going to use. Area mama, she's back. Okay. Don't worry. I will not become foodies anymore. I do well for my body. All the name of creating content. All the name of creating content. I'm not getting fatter and fattest every day. No. This cannot work. It cannot work. I cannot get fatter and fattest every day. I mean, you are working like this. I mean, no. It's not going to work. All my clothes not they can be again. Otilo, give me camera. What is going on? It's very thick because I don't want to put water. I don't want to put ice. Okay, this is how I'm going to be drinking it, just like this. It's like ice cream though. Okay, guys, this is it. It's like ice cream. This is my new food. Thank you, guys. See you guys later.